What happens after you buy at auction? Nobody explains this. Most people think the hard part is winning the auction, but the truth is, the real work starts after you buy the property. And this is the part nobody explains. The moment you win at a foreclosure auction in Texas, payment is due immediately. Not tomorrow, not next week, same day, usually within minutes or hours. If you don't have your funds ready, the deal is gone. That's why serious investors prepare before auction day, not after. Once payment is made, the very next thing I do is drive by the property. I'm not going inside. I'm not knocking on doors. I'm answering one critical question. Is this property vacant or occupied? That one detail determines everything that happens next. If the property is vacant, great. Now the focus is securing it, changing locks, boarding if necessary, preventing vandalism, and making sure no one moves in. If the property is occupied, that's a completely different process. You don't own the right to just walk in. You don't remove anyone yourself. You don't change locks. At that point, the eviction process begins. In Texas, you must follow the legal steps. Serve proper notice, file through the court, wait for the hearing, obtain possession legally. Skipping steps or getting emotional can cost you months and thousands of dollars. Taking legal possession of the property is the first real milestone after auction. Only after possession can you inspect the interior, get accurate repair numbers, decide whether to flip, rent, or wholesale, protect your investment properly. Another thing most people forget, insurance. Once you own the property, liability is on you, even if someone gets hurt on day one. You need the right coverage immediately. Then comes utilities, taxes, and title cleanup. Some properties require quiet title, some need additional legal work. This is where unprepared investors get overwhelmed. This is why auction investing isn't about luck, it's about systems. If you don't know what happens after the auction, you're gambling, not investing. I've built a step-by-step process for this because I've lived it. The wins and the mistakes. If you want to learn how to buy foreclosure properties the right way, from auction day all the way to possession and profit, stop watching from the sidelines. Join my monthly membership. I'll show you the exact process I use, because winning the auction is just the beginning.